Number two core value is core value of excellence. Okay. So this is one where we say in our core values, we never settle for a job good enough. And we aim to provide 10 out of 10 experience. So in my personal life, there's very few things I'm like, let's mail it in. This is good enough. So we want that spirit of excellence carried through in our teams. We'll ask our interviewees, like, how have you demonstrated excellence in your personal life? Someone might not have an answer, right? Another last thing, if there's one trait I look for, it's being goal oriented. So if Phil, you asked me, Dave, tell me about a time you set a goal in your personal life and the steps you took to achieve it. We could have a 45-minute talk on like, hey, when I was 6, I wanted to do this. So